Hello everyone, welcome to Life Philosophy Talks. Alzheimer's patients are increasing. Doctors advise people over 50 to break these 4 bad habits. Ms. Zhou is 57 years old. After retiring, she planned to enjoy a peaceful and leisurely life. However, recently she's noticed that she often forgets things. She would put down her keys in the morning and forget where she placed them just moments later. She frequently mixes up times for appointments with friends. Her memory seemed to be deteriorating more, and once she even forgot she had soup cooking on the stove, nearly causing a fire. Feeling anxious, Ms. Zhou went to the hospital. The doctor told her these were early signs of cognitive decline. Hearing this, Ms. Zhou couldn't help but reflect, could certain habits in her daily life be accelerating her brain's aging? What should she do to avoid developing Alzheimer's? 1. The mystery of Alzheimer's spread, causes and challenges. In recent years, the number of Alzheimer's disease patients, also known as AD, has been steadily increasing worldwide. This is an undeniable fact. According to a report by the World Health Organization, currently around 50 million people globally suffer from Alzheimer's disease, and this number is expected to rise to 150 million by 2050. So, why are Alzheimer's cases increasing? A population aging. One of the main reasons for the rise in Alzheimer's cases is the aging population. With advancements in medical technology and improvements in living standards, people's life expectancy has significantly increased. In many countries, the proportion of elderly people has surpassed that of younger populations. This means that the number of people over 65, the age group most susceptible to Alzheimer's, is continuously growing. According to data from China's National Bureau of Statistics, the population aged 60 and over in China has reached 254 million, accounting for 18.3% of the total population. Among this large elderly group, the number of Alzheimer's patients is increasing. B. Lifestyle changes. Changes in lifestyle are another key factor contributing to the rise in Alzheimer's cases. In modern society, many people have become overly reliant on electronic devices and lead sedentary lives, which can negatively impact brain-blood circulation and increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's. Additionally, poor eating habits such as diets high in sugar and fat, low in fiber, and habits like smoking and excessive drinking can also raise the likelihood of developing the disease. Research has shown that chronic diseases such as obesity, hypertension, and diabetes are linked to a higher risk of Alzheimer's. C. Environmental factors. Environmental factors also play an important role in the increase in Alzheimer's cases. Studies have shown that long-term exposure to harmful chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals can damage brain cells, increasing the risk of Alzheimer's. Air pollution and noise pollution can also harm brain health. Therefore, protecting the environment and reducing pollution are important in the prevention of Alzheimer's. D. Genetic factors. Genetics also plays a significant role in Alzheimer's. Research has shown that the disease has a certain familial aggregation. If a family member has Alzheimer's, other family members are at a higher risk of developing it, likely due to genetic factors, though the exact mechanisms are still being studied. E. Advances in diagnostic technology. The improvement in diagnostic technology has allowed for earlier detection of Alzheimer's. In the past, many patients went undiagnosed due to the lack of effective diagnostic methods. With advancements in medical technology, especially brain imaging and biomarkers, doctors can now detect Alzheimer's earlier, leading to an increase in the reported number of cases. 2. Preventing Alzheimer's. Break these 4 bad habits after age 50. Staying up late. Staying up late has become a common habit in modern life, but it has serious consequences for brain health. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can lead to an increase in the accumulation of amyloid beta protein in the brain, a key pathological feature of Alzheimer's. Additionally, staying up late disrupts the brain's metabolic balance and accelerates the aging of nerve cells. To prevent Alzheimer's, it's recommended to establish a healthy sleep routine, ensuring 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. B. Poor eating habits. Research has shown that diet is closely related to the risk of developing Alzheimer's. After age 50, it's important to avoid the following dietary habits: high-sugar diet. Excessive sugar intake can cause blood sugar fluctuations and damage brain cells. It's advisable to reduce sugar intake and follow a low-sugar diet. High-fat diet. A high-fat diet can lead to obesity, hypertension, and other cardiovascular diseases, increasing the risk of Alzheimer's. Moderate intake of quality proteins and reduced consumption of greasy foods is recommended. Low-fiber diet. Dietary fiber helps maintain gut health and promotes the elimination of toxins. Studies have found that those with insufficient fiber intake are at higher risk for Alzheimer's. It's recommended to increase the consumption of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Lack of antioxidants. Antioxidants can help clear free radicals in the brain and protect nerve cells. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as nuts, green tea, and blueberries, should be included in your diet. C. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods not only increases the risk of obesity and cardiovascular diseases, but also negatively affects brain health. Research shows that people who are sedentary for extended periods have higher levels of amyloid beta in their brains, which increases the risk of Alzheimer's. It's recommended to stand up and move around for 5 to 10 minutes every hour and engage in aerobic exercises such as walking, jogging, or swimming. D. Social isolation. Social activities are vital for maintaining brain health. Studies have shown that socially isolated individuals have higher levels of amyloid beta, which increases their risk of Alzheimer's. To keep your brain active, it's important to engage in social activities and stay connected with friends and family. 3. How to self-test for Alzheimer's risk. With Alzheimer's becoming more common and affecting younger populations, self-assessment for the risk of cognitive decline is becoming increasingly important. Dr. Sun Lin from Zhou Hospital, Capital Medical University, suggests 2 methods for self-testing. Delayed recall test. This method is simple. Say 3 unrelated words such as leaf, computer, and cup, and engage in a conversation for about 10 minutes. Then, ask the person being tested to recall the 3 words. If they can, their memory function is likely normal. Memory impairment screening tool MIS. This scale includes 8 questions covering behaviors like frequently repeating the same actions, forgetting appointments, and experiencing a decline in judgment. If the person being tested exhibits 2 or more changes, they should seek professional medical evaluation. It's important to note that these methods are not for diagnosing Alzheimer's, but can help indicate whether further medical intervention is needed. 4. Signs of Alzheimer's disease. Memory loss. Memory loss is one of the most common early symptoms of Alzheimer's. Patients may forget recent events, lose their sense of direction, or repeatedly ask the same questions. Difficulty expressing thoughts. Patients may have trouble finding the right words or understanding others. This is another early symptom of Alzheimer's. Decreased ability to perform simple calculations. Alzheimer's patients often struggle with basic math, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and may make frequent errors. Confusion about time and space. Alzheimer's patients may forget the date, time, or mix up spatial concepts like left and right, up and down. Changes in behavior and personality. Patients may become anxious, depressed, irritable, suspicious, or withdrawn. Sleep disorders and changes in appetite are also common. 5. How to prevent Alzheimer's. While the risk of developing Alzheimer's increases with age, it's not inevitable. By improving your lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your risk. Here are some science-backed prevention measures. Avoid sleep deprivation and stay mentally active. Chronic sleep deprivation and lack of mental activity are detrimental to brain health. Getting enough sleep and keeping your mind engaged are key to protecting your brain. Adopt a brain-healthy diet. A diet high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salt can harm your brain. Eating a balanced diet with more nutrients that promote brain health, combined with regular exercise, is essential. Maintain social connections. Staying connected with family and friends is crucial for brain vitality. In conclusion, while the shadow of Alzheimer's may be difficult to avoid, it doesn't mean there's no way to protect yourself. Through scientific preventative measures such as breaking bad habits, staying mentally active, adopting a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and maintaining social connections, you can slow the progression of this disease. Most importantly, personal choices and actions can offer protection for yourself and your family, helping to prevent cognitive decline. Protecting your brain isn't difficult. It all starts with small daily habits. By making adjustments now in your routine, diet, and lifestyle, you can reduce the threat of Alzheimer's and secure a healthier future. That's all for today's sharing, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can be the first to get the latest video updates. Thank you for your support.